Bikasi Agro Producer Company Limited Singarbon gi nomagi oiba annual general body gi mifam ngarang Siroi Lili English School da Bikasi Agro gi chairman 𝐻𝐈𝐊𝐃𝐒𝐒 Singna mifam mapu oiduna pangthokre Bikasi Agro gi chief executive officer Brajanandan Singna hojik fawada leiriba development ki matangda miyamda khanganke mifam aduda Assam Agro Business and Rural Transformation Project apart ki finance services specialist Nitin Singha Department of Agriculture gi SDAO Nikhil Chandradas apart ki District Enterprise Development Coordinator Salim Ahmad apart ki District Enterprise Development Coordinator Anisus Jaman Assam ki retired Additional Secretary Arambam Nandababu retired teacher Waimani Singhasu Saryake Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Government of India ki Tausil Makhada Small Farmers Agro Business Consortium SFAC Government of India ki mateng lautuna Prince Guwahati ki mediang makhada Bikasi Agro haina sengolakliba company asida lomi singa member oibiduna senmilon chawkhatpa khunai ama semnasi haina Bikasi Agro gi thoburoi singna apil tarakle